Why didn't you tell me? I would stop.
Try it.
Jerk. Oh, okie dokie. There you go.
What? Hey! Driver, kick this jerk off the bus.
You start to kick this witch first.
Oh, you call him a witch? Happy now? We are in the middle of nowhere. It's all because of you, idiot.
Because of me, you started it.
I started it because you were snoring. And then
Wait, stop. Hey, I apologize. I'm sorry. I will catch a text now. No network.
Oh, no network. Great. And it's raining now. It's all because of you too. What are you going to do now, genius?
This genius will hitch a ride. Hey.
At this rate, we will die out here.
What are you doing?
Hide. I handle everything.
You think that will help?
Get your disgusting body out of sight.
See ya.
What's wrong, miss?
Oh, hi. There's a maniac following me. Please, quickly, save me.
Maniac? Where?
Over there, behind the tree. Please help me.
Get in quickly.
Thanks. Oh. Cute toy.
Just like you. Where are you going? Stay, it'll be fun.
Help! Please help me! Someone!
Hey, wait! Ah, damn witch!
Excuse me, sir. Can I help you?
No, just you pick up the young girl. Where is she?
She got off earlier.
Can I take a look inside the car?
No.
Listen, buddy, I need to make sure she's not in there.
Don't you get it, buddy? Whoa. Please don't shoot her. Come on, buddy. Yeah, please don't shoot her. Go!
What is this all, huh?
Damn it! Let me go! You better
Don't shut you! Quit! I think it's yours.